Step right up, don't delay. Got a cough that's here to stay. From Vernal Town we proudly say, we'll chase that nasty thing away. A newspaper man was feeling rough. La Grippe had hit him mighty tough. Sniffling, sneezing, coughing stuff. Said, this here's bad, I've had enough. Didn't wait no time to moan. Grabbed a bottle of his own. Took one sip, his fears were blown. Next thing you know, that cold was gone. From every ad and word of mouth, north to west and east to south, people shouted, have no doubt, Chamberlain's cough remedy, hey, makes that cough go right away. Hey, take a sip and shout, hooray! Hey, better by the end of the day. Chamberlain's cough remedy, go! Stops that hacking, stops the blow. Take it once and you will know, it's the cure that steals the show. He said, well, I'll be, this is fast. Didn't think my cough would pass. Worked so quick it couldn't last. That sickness faded to the past like magic in a little glass. Sent that cold away real fast. If you're wheezing, it won't last. This here cure's a total blast. Got a cough? Got a cold? Feel like you're 100 years old? 25 or 50 cents. That's just plain good common sense. Chamberlain's cough remedy, hey, makes that cough go right away. Hey, take a sip and shout, hooray! Hey, better by the end of the day. Chamberlain's cough remedy, go! Stops that hacking, stops the blow. Take it once and you will know, it's the cure that steals the show. Available now, Vernal Drug Company. Don't hesitate, medicate.